Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Cancer. So if you have your sun, moon, rising or your Venus sitting in the sign of Cancer, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for my lovely Cancerians is the Twin of Swords. Something has recently happened in your love life. Either you have nothing going on in your love life or you just met with a very terrible ending to a relationship. If it has not happened, well, there is a lesson that is coming. So think of this as a warning. Some of you might have had to leave behind someone that was not the right fit, or due to circumstances you had to let go of someone, or it's this card is telling me there has been some kind of change in the relationship, like something has changed in your relationship and you do feel like you're lonely. You have not been communicating a lot because she has her arms crossed. That means if you are watching as a man or a woman, it doesn't matter, but you're just closing yourself out. The next card that I have for you is the Nine of Wands. So Nine of Wands, again, you're sitting, you're evaluating about things that have happened. You're evaluating, maybe like you're feeling sort of guilty. So you're evaluating the mistakes you've made, the things that must have gone wrong, as to why you have reached this situation, or you are in this energy. At the bottom of the deck I have the Page of Wands. So I do feel like for many of you, your career might have taken a priority because I think in your career reading I was talking about how all these Cancer people, I think it was Cancer, that you're manifesting a lot of things and a lot of things are coming true for you, and your career is literally on the boom. So if you guys have not checked your career reading, go ahead and check your career reading, because I think we had amazing messages for the month of July for you. Let's see what other messages we have when it comes to your love life. But definitely your career life is doing way better than your love life, I'm sorry. And then we have the Six of Cups. So Six of Cups is telling me that somebody from the past, either an ex, or somebody who's elder to you, could be making a return towards you. It could be an ex-boyfriend, it could be an ex-acquaintance, an ex-friend, or could be your ex-husband. So take it how it is, but they're making a comeback and they're very proud of you. They still have feelings for you, but I can't say whether these feelings are going to go anywhere or not, but they do feel for you. They feel affectionate towards you and they really want to be there with you in this time of need. The next card that I have for you is the Emperor card. Now Emperor card here is telling me either you or your person is very stubborn. So if things have ended here, I think you have become very stubborn. uh, Stubborn in one way, which is sort of bad, but good in the other way, because now you finally realize that you have to set up stronger foundations, you have to set stronger boundaries, because you have seen one phase of your life and the growth has been tremendous. But when it comes to love affairs, you really have to have a very strong backbone as to say, this is something that I want in my relationship, and this is something I don't want. And for many of you, you want commitment from your person. You want somebody who can hold the fort together. And the Emperor card is again this card of, holding the ground, digging in deep into the ground and holding firm, and that is something you've not received. For a lot of Cancers, I do see is somebody who could be, or you could be dealing with somebody who's elder to you, is um, could be younger looking, but especially in age, I do see that there is some kind of age difference. At the bottom of the deck I have the Ace of Cups, which is telling me moving forward you are going to get clarity. So emotionally you are going to be in a better place, despite whatever has happened, the lack of communication or the lack of commitment from your person. I do see it coming here. I do see people setting up stronger foundation. So you're going to tell them that this is what I want, this is how I imagine my life moving forward. So if you can offer me these things, we are at the best place to move forward. But if you can't offer me all these things, well, maybe it's time we look for other things in life. The next card that I have for you is the Six of Swords. Now, this is a confirmation card which is telling me that there is definitely somebody from your past that is coming back. But this card is also telling me that you need to learn your lessons and you need to move forward. And with the infinity sign on top, this gives me a very strong energy of a Scorpio sign, where you have to end a cycle and you have to start a new cycle. But it's not the universe who's going to push you, who's going to, kind of just drag you to the next stage. You actively have to take steps to move to the next level in your relationship or in your life, if that's what you want to do. So the initiative has to come from you. If it's not worth the effort, just walk away. This is the card of walking away. The next card I have is the Hierophant. Many of you could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You could be dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You could also be dealing with a Taurus who does feel they know a lot more than you. They are at a higher level than you. They have better finances than you. So, that kind of entitlement or arrogance sort of energy is coming from your person. So make sure, if you are ready to set clear boundaries in terms of how you want to be treated, because it does seem for many of you, if you have suffered, a heartbreak of things have not worked out, I do see commitment coming. I do see marriage happening for a lot of you. And in case for majority of you, I don't see like a love sort of setting coming in, but I do see some of you making compromising sorry compromising no making compromises. And yeah, well, that is the energy. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Eight of Cups, which means I think you're going to walk away. For many of you, I think this relation that has broken up or that has ended was not for your highest good, and as such, I don't see reconciliation happening. So, if you are watching this reading hoping that you are going to get a reconciliation, well, I'm sorry to tell you, but I don't see it happening. Let's see from love messages what sort of messages we are getting for you people. The first card that I have for you is new love. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. So definitely with the Ace of Cups, new love is coming towards you. A new start is coming towards you. You are going to walk away. You are going to heal. Things are going to get better. So hang in there. It's not a long road. It's a very short road. And because your career is doing absolutely amazing, I don't think you should be worried about your love life, at least for a couple of months. Pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you. See, so if things have broken off, if you are being taken for granted, especially with this energy, tarot is very clear in terms of where you have to focus your energy and where you don't. So, red flags are there. Pay attention to them. Maybe this person isn't meant for you. Maybe you're meant for something better. Maybe you're meant for something amazing. So make sure you focus your energy on all those things. Don't forget to check your career reading, because it's absolutely amazing. It has already been uploaded, but I'll put the link below so you guys can check it out. And you feel free to reach out for a personal reading if this kind of resonates. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook.